This is our state-of-the-art visual automatic coloring machine, designed for precision coloring of metal and plastic decorative products. Equipped with a high-resolution visual guiding system, it intelligently identifies the position and contour of each item, ensuring accurate paint application without manual adjustment. The multi-axis linkage platform featuring X, Y, and Z motion control supports various coloring patterns including dots, lines, arcs, and complex curves. Ideal for accessories such as badges, keychains, buckles, and game pieces, this machine significantly improves production efficiency while maintaining artistic detail. Simple programming, fast switching between models, and stable performance make it the ideal solution for factories seeking intelligent automation. Discover a smarter way to color. Precision meets creativity automatically.